Hi, Kylie. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great. First of all, I'd like to thank you for giving us this opportunity to do the interview with you, to share your experience with Get My Course. All right. So first, can you kindly tell us about your position, your designation and industry that you work with?
Yeah, so my current position is operations manager. The industry is aged care and currently the community sector, so home care. Um, Designation is basically my role will include workforce planning, um, training policies. It's quite a broad role. It's actually a new role, so it is still being developed as we speak. So it's actually being really interesting. So each day I get more structure in my role, which is really, really good. But basically, it's just to aged care, home care in Australia is reforming. So we need to keep up with the times. And there's a lot of work to be done. So my role is implemented to support that.
I see. You seem like a very busy woman. And which
It
course
is
did
a
you
busy
study with
role.
us?
I studied the Advanced Diploma Community Sector Management.
Oh, the advanced diploma, yes, those are for managers. And how did you get to know about this course?
I came into contact it through my role, being operations manager and workforce. I seemed to get a lot of communications from external parties, looking to offering to, upskill or support training and development within our, individuals and within our teams and organisations as well. So, um, Get My Course actually contacted me through my organisation, and yeah, we
Mm.
went from there pretty much.
That's great to know. And Kylie, what actually made you sign up and pay for this course?
I was in a position to be able to pay for the course, and it was actually something that I really wanted myself. So I've worked with the same organisation for many years and have
Mhm.
developed within my career, which has been brilliant. But if I ever want to relocate from the NT, this organisation doesn't exist. So it's basically just something I wanted to have in my back pocket for any growth or development or change I do in the future.
That's right. Something right under your belt. A very good addition
Yeah.
to what you currently have. And I'm just curious, why get my course and not other providers?
I think Get My Course seemed to be a lot more simplified than a lot of other providers. A lot of other providers, need quite additional time in commitment. And, obviously in some of our positions as managers, we don't have that time. Get My Course was rather fast tracked for the fact that you've already done the work, and you're just getting that certificate to support that. So it was fairly easy to, complete the advanced diploma through Get My Course because just how simplified their process is. And it's just not a burden when you're working, 76 hours a fortnight and you've got other commitments after hours as well. So, yeah, it was really good.
That's great to hear. Very heartwarming, and I totally agree with you. And you can you kindly give your advice to people who are actually interested to do the course?
I think it's just basically how fast tracked and simplified it is, especially if you're already doing something. Yes, it comes as a cost, but the cost is fairly decently priced when you think about doing it with any other provider or if you had to actually do the course from scratch. So I would recommend it just for how simplified it is, how it's not a burden on your work, days, or your after hours or anything like that. So it's quite a friendly way of completing, yeah, to get a certificate or a advanced diploma.
That's amazing. We normally get those kinds of compliment that it was easy. And what are the top two benefits of you doing this course, Kylie?
Um, One is self gratification, as in, like, it's something I do. I didn't have a certificate for it. Um, so that's one. The second one, obviously, is that career opportunity that you have, within current organisation or with external ones. But the other thing is it's not being limited to aged care either. It's also being open to now, like, childcare, mental health, anything within the community. So that's really a good thing as well. It's giving you a lot more windows of opportunity to go through.
That's amazing. I really like how you think about everything about the course. And I'm just curious, Kylie, did you have a pay rise after the qualification?
Um, I actually had a pay rise prior to the qualification, because it was done through rumination, and it was quite a large pay rise as well, but it was basically for the work that I was doing that actually got me through the course. So the items I had to submit to pass the course was what I was currently doing. So they felt it was, time to pay me for what I was doing. So, if I had gotten the diploma before that, I would say that it definitely would have helped with a pay rise, most definitely, because the organisation does contribute and acknowledge to self development, professional development within the organisation. So my general manager was actually the one that wrote the reference letter type of thing. That was one of the requirements to complete the course. So that's quite amazing that the general manager was happy to participate and write such an amazing reference letter. So yeah, it's all worked out pretty well.
That's very good to hear that your general manager is very supportive to you getting this course as well. And Kylie, we are very thankful and grateful that you actually did the course with us. We're very happy for your feedback. And if there's something we can help you out with, let us know. And I would like to thank you for, giving us your precious time doing this real interview. All right.
Not a problem. Thank you.
Have a lovely day, Kylie.